Hello, this is my video for Project 1 of Software Development for Real-Time Embedded Systems. In this project, we are working on making a Morse code LED encoder. So, for my setup, I have my laptop along with my small system. It uses an Arduino, 2 wires, a resistor, and an LED with a breadboard. For this project, I used Arduino Sketch. So it is a framework basically on top of C++. So in these, let me go into this example. So I will load the software onto the system. And as we do that, we can now open the serial monitor for our COM3. You will notice that it says Project 1 and says please enter phrase or semicolon to exit. So, for this example, we're going to do hello world. So we have pushed hello world into our system. And as we push enter, we will watch the system operate. So on the screen, it'll display each character individually in terms of dashes and dots, while also sending it to the Arduino board to control the LED. So we can do anything we want, and it allows us to do it. So we can say class 101, and we can send that, and it'll also translate that. And if we want to end the program, what we'll do is essentially just end the loops. Is you'll push a semicolon, and what will happen, it'll turn to exiting loop, and you are no longer able to write any input and do anything. So it closes this program. It is my short video. Thank you.